My people, una good morning or good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to una time. So, in case if you never know, now maybe Anthony will be the anchor man for First Aid Immigrant Solution. So, the same make I see try and make I do the procedure the way that they feel am, because the first video where I just first dropped this morning, I just only talk say these things they exist, but many people say me I still talk how the fit by themselves apply. Now say me I come computer, me I quick show now the way that they do am. So the first thing you do, just go to your computer, then make sure say you get web browser, then just type www.chiesadabologna.it. so make I go closer. If you look the website now be this. Once you go the website, if you click on go or enter, it go open this web page. So the web page now be this for my computer. So this web page will be this for my computer. The man way they see by your right hand side of your screen. So now that one be the Archbishop Zuppi. So now Cardinal Zuppi now be that one. So the form where the money where they help people for coronavirus now be this hand. So once you just click on her, it will take you to the next page where we will foresee all the information where they talk say they want to pay. If you see Anna there, but what I want just quickly go now this link where there, so where it talks say caritas.chiesadabologna.it/fondo-San Petronio. Now you click. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page again. So now this page now they for explain everything where they want give you and how you fit apply. So you see all the money where I first talk for this first video. So where are they interested in this, where this blue line, this blue write-up where they talk say e-modulo, which is module for English, the module or e-modulo. You click on, it will take you to the form. So now the form be this. So this form, now there you fulfill everything where you need. So I want to just explain now very fast because of say time not be our friend. You put the best way they ask. You put his surname for cognomen, his last name or a given name. You put on for the nomen. The data, the nashita, you go put the date of birth and the place where for born. You see put on for there the physical code or codice fiscale of the best way they ask. You put on for there, then the address of the house where they for Bologna. If you see put on for there, then after you don't put on for there, they put the zip code and the city where it dey. If you see put on for there, then the one where they write say Parroquia de Appartenenza, now the Catholic Church where he has, where they close to his house or where it belongs to, where they go, now be the Parroquia Appartenenza. So most cases, each house for Italy get Catholic Church where they control them. Most of the time now, according to the quarters, and so the church they control the area. So you write the name of the church. If na Santa Maria, now they control na area, right and put for there. Then the name of the priest, where the pastor for the church, you write the name and surname of the parrocho for there. Then put your email and your telephone number. After you don't do that one, say the lavoro svolto fino a primo marzo. That means to say the work where you do thing on the 1st of March. If you know say you do cleaning work, put policia. If you know say you do any other work where you do metal mechanic, put according to the work where you do. Then you put the person where they ask, you put the account number where you know where you want me to take put the money, or where you want me to receive the money. You put on for this IBAN, the tuo conto corrente. So you put your account where you want to receive the money, where you want to get the alert. Then the next thing now, the composition of the nuclear family. The composition of your nuclear family now you put according to the way it is for your easy where the ins they give person or where you go do for Sindakati. So the according to the way the family one and the person way they ask you, first start with yourself, you put your surname, your name, your date of birth, your then the legame de parentela. Now the family relationship, if you they ask you get pikin, you will be padre. If you they ask, if you they ask, or the pikin, you they write your pikin name, legame parentela na figlio. So filia if na girl or female child. So after you don't put that one, codice fiscale, put all those ones. Then the second person now, cognome de familiare too. You put your wife name if you don't marry. Then the surname, name. Then date of birth, the place of birth, date of birth. Then legame parentela. You put moglie. So you put a physical code. Then after that, after you put a physical code, you see continue. You put after you don't put legame, then you can put after you don't put a physical code, and then for finish, then you enter the third person. If you get pikin, if you had for the pikin, and so you take fill everything legame parentele for pikin and still filio or filia. So if you don't feel everything finish, the one way you know say if you not get pikin or you never marry, you feel only your own, you leave the rest blank. So now so you take go, you can't reach the middle, nearly the bottom. So whether they talk say situazioni allogativa, which means say your situation of your house. If you know say your house, you dey house where you know say you dey pay rentage, you put on for a casa in affitto, d'affitto. If you know say you dey house where Como give you put on a casa in affitto da acer or da altro ente pubblico. If you know say you dey house where you for the pay mortgage, you put on say a casa proprietario con il mutuo. Now so the rest of that one, casa proprietario senza mutuo, then be say you know they pay any mortgage again or others. If you see select the one where you want. Then if any person where you know say get handicap or you get any other serious person where you get serious health challenge for members of your family, you na here you foresee right and put you see specify the health case where the person get. If you know say na disabled, if you see specify for them. Then another thing where the consider for here, artery sustain. That means any members of your family where see they get other help. So maybe you get ready to the cittadinanza, now the money where they see they pay to those people who know they work, or if they receive any pension or the invalidita, which is person where they disabled, if they receive pension, or if they a casa integrazione or bonus or others, anyone where you know say if they benefit, you specify for them. Then if you want to see that any small situation, the reason why you want describe the situation where you they pass through now, where you need their help, if you see right time for you, if you write small thing for that, they say the money where you they receive too small and make you the house. So the next other thing is now carica la carta di identità di richiedente. Now here you for select the file where you click on, it will take you to place where you for select the file which your carta identità where you already scan for your computer. If you don't select that one, it say make you see, make sure say you click on this and read all this thing, and this one are to accept. Say you read everything where you talk, you read that. After you don't click on this one, before you accept that one, this one where I quickly jump now, say me I quickly explain. So now here you for still upload your Eze or your last booster paga or any other document where you get. If you know say dey autonomous, any other document where you do your activities, if you see add am here. Then if you don't add am, you click. If you don't select this file, you click where e dey for your computer. After you don't click where e dey for your computer, so you just click on select, then open or April. Once you don't select, if you go down for this thing, you'll see say you fit see select, you fit see cancel if you made mistake. See wetin I select just now. So you fit see cancel or you select. At the end of the day now, you click on envia. So once you click on envia, now there you go tell you say you don't finish the form. Say they don't accept your form. So if they accept your form, they'll tell you say everything where you do a day okay. So now so you will take fill am. And this envia now go give you the right say you don't feel am well. So thank you. In case if you never subscribe, please share this video and subscribe to First Aid Immigrant Solution, so that anytime we upload new video, you will still get alert or you go still watch us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.